One of the most important interview questions asked in the Golang interviews is to build a web server in Golang. So today we'll build a web server in Go step by step. First of all, I would like to show you the flowchart on routes we will be using it today to build a web server, and then I'll show you the sample response. So just look at this flowchart. First of all, we'll be receiving the request, and then we will do an evaluation. So first route will be the root route. If you can see here, right, path is the root route, and then the method is get. If this condition is satisfied, then we go to the home handler, like execute the home handler, and then home handler produces the response, and then the process is completed, execution process is completed. Okay, and if this is not satisfied, it goes here. We'll check the path. If the path is /API/messages and the method HTTP method is get, then get message handler will be triggered and it will produce the response. And in case the path is /API/messages and the HTTP method requested by the client is post, then post messages handler will be triggered and it will process all the response, and the execution process will be completed. Let's see some of the sample responses. This will be the sample response for the root route, and it will say like welcome to the Techverse, and there's a dynamic web server built in Go. And this is the sample response for get method, and the route is /API/messages. If you can see, right, we are basically trying to retrieve all the messages, like the name is Elias, and then message hello from Docker, and the current timestamp, and then another entry name Bob, hello from Golang, and the timestamp. And if you can see, the response is 200. Okay, and for post will be having this type of request where the endpoint will be same API/message, just the method will be different, it will be post. And if you see, we in post we have a request body where we are typing in the name, and also we are giving the message to be created. Okay, and if you see here, we have a 201 created response once the post request is successful, and in the response we can successfully see it has created 2 entries of messages, first for Elias and another for Bob. And then in the further video, you will look all the solution through the Go code. Let's tune in.